What's up, Rockstars? I'm back with another video. Now, I know it's been a while. I know. Just know I missed you too. And don't ask me where I've been. You know I've been out in these streets looking cute.
There's a platform stage. People pimping, sharp as razor blades.
Yo, check out homeboy. See, Dominic's brother out there, huh?
In his shoes. Girl, he must be a rock star.
I mean, it's true. Anywho, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do an aura cleanse without actually having to use a tub. Now, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe and you hit that notification button so you don't miss the next upcoming videos, because they are going to be good, and I actually have them planned out and written down now, so it shouldn't be that long before you see me again. And for those of you who do feel like you need more of your best friend, London Bambi, feel free to follow me on Instagram. I do update pretty frequently over there, and I would love for you guys to just come over there and, you know, get in the comments. We shoot the shit. So it's at London Bambi, LONDONBAMBI, pretty much just like this YouTube channel. And yeah, just follow me over there if you want more of my best friend advice.
There we go. Thank you.
And you're gonna always get it again and again and again.
Hey best friend, and you want to just see how I am just kind of on the regular. Now onto this video. This video has been inspired by viewers like Diamond Destiny, who asked the question that how can you do an aura cleanse without having a tub? Thank you for asking that question, Diamond. You weren't the only one. And I also want to give a special shout out to Drea Kamarli. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Again, forgive me if I'm not, who actually answered her in the comments. And what Drea pretty much said is, she said you boil all the ingredients in a pot, you wait for it to cool down, and then you pour it over your head. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do in this video. I tweaked it just a bit. I poured it in a pot and I wait till it cooled down. I didn't necessarily pour all of it over my head. As you will see, I used a cup, and the reason I used a cup to scoop and pour is because I believe as we're cleaning our aura, we want to make sure we're mentally connected to the purpose as to what we're doing. So it's like, okay, I'm taking, as you will see, scooping it out and thinking about the things we need to release, pretty much like I talked about in the Aura Spiritual Bath video. It's almost the same process, but you're just giving yourself a shower. So this video is for viewers like you that don't have access to a tub but still want to get your aura cleaned. I hope you enjoy.
Let's stop talking and do some walking.
All right, guys, so first you are going to grab yourself a pot, fill it up with water, sit it on the stove, and then turn it on. So while you're waiting for the water to boil, you're going to put the ingredients in. So we're going to do very basic, 10 drops of rosemary. Oops, I think that's a little more than 10 drops, but again, this is rosemary oil. I don't know if you can see that. Then we're going to do about 10 drops of lavender oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, that is lavender oil. And I'm going to put some rose water in here. So I just use rose water. I got it Whole Foods. You can make your own rose water or wherever you can get it from. Try to get organic rose water. And I'm gonna do 10 sprays. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the most important ingredients, like if you don't have any of these other ingredients, don't worry about it. I know I have a few people asking me, they're like, what if I don't have this, or I don't have that, what can I substitute it with? You're pretty much gonna make this your own. But the most important ingredient that you want to make sure you have is sea salt. So find yourself some natural sea salt, and you're going to put 1 cup of sea salt. I'm going to open this up. So just get yourself 1 cup of sea salt. Fill it up. 1 full cup of sea salt. There we go. And you're going to place it in the water with the other ingredients. I'll get it in there. Now, after you place all the ingredients in, you have your sea salt, your lavender oil, your rose water, your rosemary. You are going to wait till the water boil all the ingredients. So you're gonna wait and sit there and let the water boil. And we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna start our aura cleanse.
A few moments later.
Okay, as you can see now, all the ingredients have dissolved beautifully into the water. The water is really, really boiling. So I'm going to turn off the stove. And we're going to let the pot sit, because obviously I don't want you guys to scald yourself. You're not going to start the aura cleanse just yet. You're not going to start it just yet. You're going to wait. And you can see, as you can see on the side of the pot, the steam, that's some of the sea salt that's coming off the smoke. And the water is clear, so everything has dissolved nicely into it. So we're gonna let this sit for a few, and then we are gonna be ready to do part 2. Okay guys, so the water has finally cooled down a bit. I did take a little bit of cold water, and I'm going to pour it in here because it's not as cool as I would like it to be. It's still hot. Again, I don't want you guys to burn yourself. So make sure that the water is at a decent temperature where it's not burning your skin. If it's not, it's okay to take some water, some cold water, and actually pour it in there until you feel that it's like warm or hot enough where it won't burn yourself. It's still a bit hot. And afterwards, we are ready for our aura cleanse without the tub. Okay, so for this part, I want to make sure that you guys have already taken your normal shower or bath to clean, because you're not going to wash this off afterwards. So now that our water is boiled and all of our ingredients is in our pot, or you transfer it into a bowl, that's fine. You want to make sure you have a cup, and then what you're going to do is take it, put it up with the water, and pretty much give yourself a shower. So you're going to pour it on yourself. And remember, all of this again, once again, is through your mind. So you're going to pour it on. And think for whatever issue you need to release. Good. Yeah. Now, I never put salt in my hair because I don't want to have to wash my hair afterwards, so it's fine. You want to get it on your face, that's cool too. So I just never put it on my head. Just think about it. Release these issues. This is no longer in your control. Try to come up with a solution, or just generally try to make peace with the situation. You're going to keep on repeating this until the pot or your bowl is empty. Cleanse. Your body covered in water as possible. this however long you want. You can take small scoops of water, you can take a large scoop, but if you feel like, you know, you want a major bath clean, you can even take the pot. That's what I'm doing now. Just go in there. Just give yourself a shower with the pot. Pour it over. If you don't have access to the pot. So there are many ways to do this to clean your oil. This is the perfect way you can do this if you don't have a tub or you don't have like access to a tub. Again, just boil up ingredients in a pot and just place it in this stuff. So that's it. I really do hope this video has been of help to those of you that have been asking me questions as to how to do an aura cleanse without the tub, without having to do actual spiritual baths. So it's pretty much, we're going to call this your spiritual shower. If you have any questions, again, put them in the comment section, or feel free to email me or message me, and I will try my best to answer them for you, right? Well, before I forget, the best way is to air dry. So don't take a towel and dry yourself off. Hopefully it's not too cold where you are. Just let the ingredients dry on you. All right, you don't want to leave that out. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. So make sure you subscribe, comment, like, let me know what you think about it. If you have any other ideas or any other questions, feel free. As you can see, I read the comments and I take what you guys say serious. So if you have any questions, see, they need to clean their aura. Did you hear that? Fighting in the streets. Fighting in the streets, messing up my video.
Again, because these bitches can't motherfucker get off of MC Depot. Let me tell y'all motherfuckers something.
But if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know. Leave it again. I love you guys as always. Take care of yourself. We are almost at the home stretch of the end of 2020, which have been an eye-opening year. And thank you guys for following me. I want to thank all the new subscribers. I love you. Welcome, and more videos to come.